Hey guys, how are you doing? In today's video we'll talk about 7 different side hustles that you can start doing in 2022, and that will be super easy side hustles and literally available to everyone, because if you are watching this video then probably you have a device you're watching it from, either a phone or a laptop or access to the internet, and we'll take a look exactly at that super easy side hustles that literally everyone can start doing right now. And the first side hustle we're gonna mention for today is creating thumbnails for YouTube creators. Now, there are super big amount of YouTube creators that are producing content constantly on a constant basis, and if it's a large channel or if it's a channel with 10 or 20k subs plus, which is developing super fast, then it definitely needs a team for producing content for that channel. And for content makers like that, it's super necessary to have someone who is writing text, creating a thumbnail, and doing video edits and all of that stuff. And creating a thumbnail may be very easy to start doing, because simply for that you need to be able to make the simplest manipulations in Adobe Photoshop or something like that. It doesn't actually require a big skill for creating thumbnails, because the main thing for thumbnails in YouTube is to be catchy and attractive, because this is the first thing that people see before actually seeing the video. And what you can do is to train a little bit for creating thumbnails. Actually, some of them do not need to be super mega edit hard for in that kind of stuff, because the art of creating thumbnails, that they have to be catchy, and some of the thumbnails I've seen in the YouTube are super simple, but therefore do not losing their catchy idea, and it is the most important for the thumbnail to attract a new audience. What you can do is to go to YouTube search and search for the channels that are not that big but already having some audience, and go to the About section and reach out to the YouTube channel holder to apply for that position. Maybe you can write to them, email to them something like, hey, I'm a YouTube thumbnail creator, I can edit thumbnails for you. And if that guy will agree, then firstly you may agree to a certain fixed amount per thumbnail. For example, you make one thumbnail and you receive money for that thumbnail, or on a basis wage, maybe later on for a monthly wage for you creating thumbnails for that person. Or the second thing you can do is to go to websites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, or Upwork, and just apply, make an announcement that you are able to create thumbnails for YouTube videos and for anything else. You're able to operate in basic editors for photos, maybe also videos. And that is actually a good side hustle to start, because there are so many people creating content every day that certainly that people need somebody to create thumbnails for them. And this is where you can put into use your time and your skills of creating different photos in photo editors. So how easy is it to start doing that? I would say it's about 5 out of 10, because you need some certain skills in Adobe Photoshop, and how much time you need for doing that certainly depends on you. But generally, if you're having the skill, that you can apply for as many YouTube channels as you want, because there are so much demand that certainly people need this position, need somebody for doing this part of content for them. Alright, the second side hustle we're gonna discuss today is actually creating a beat for music artists, or beat making. What is a beat? Beat is a sound track for the music, without the lyrics, without words, without vocals, but just the background music. And actually there is so much demand for that, for you creating your beats and then selling it later on, because there are so many people producing music that cannot actually make the beats for themselves. They're just buying beats and sing or rap over that beats. And for you, it's a great opportunity if you have music education, or you know how to operate in a simple DAW or digital audio workstations like Ableton, Pro Tools, or Cubase, or something like that. And beat making is essentially the art of producing music and transferring it from your head to the computer. And if you're good with that, then you can actually make your own beats. And this is not a mixing or sound engineer, this is just a creating music, so you just need to know the basics of creating the beat. But it's basically having a melody, having drum sections with kick, snare and hi-hats and the bass, and that's it. You just create the beat, create the melody, and then you can go to websites like BeatStars and sell your beat for whatever price you want. And you can sell one beat that you make multiple times. So multiple artists can actually buy your beat and rap over that beat. So it's like you're making not just a beat, not just an audio file, but actually digital product which you can sell and actually sell multiple times. And the price for that is determined only by you. There are different options how you can sell your beat, but for example, if it's just a single audio file, wave file, then it may be one price, or if you're selling the stems of that beat with melody separate track, with a separate track for drums, then that price may be much higher, up to $200 and more. And actually the CEO of BeatStars, Abe Bachchan himself, he's telling that some of the producers making up to few $1,000s per month, and the top ones are making about $60,000 per month just selling their beats. Now definitely for them it's not a side hustle, but you can determine how many beats you want to produce, you can post them, and generally it's like additional social media for producers and for rappers who want to have some beat, exchange music and generally earn some money. So this is quite easy to start if you already have some music education and you know how to operate basic things in DAWs, and this is actually time consuming. Creating a beat and making the melodies and adjusting everything may be super interesting, or on the other hand you can make it super simple, because some of the beat makers, they create music for 15 minutes, for 20 minutes sometimes, or it may take up to few days to actually make a real solid cool beat. So it depends on your creativity, on your skills and on the time you yourself want to put on this thing. Alright, so the next side hustle we're gonna discuss today is a script writing. So it's basically a person who is writing texts for different websites, bloggers, YouTubers and etc. Because as I told you, everyone today is creating content, and definitely one person cannot manage everything, and that is why some of the bloggers or YouTubers, they want somebody to write text for them, or there are some even dedicated YouTube channels that do not show their faces, and there is basically a video going on and somebody from behind, not filming his face, reading a text. And there are so many YouTube channels like that, and you can make a benefit from that by just offering your skills of writing a text to such YouTubers. And secondly, you can always go to the same websites like Fiverr, People Per Hour and Upwork and suggest your skills there, basically posting yourself, and you can make up to $20+ per 100 words, per each 100 words that you write in the beginning, and later on you can increase definitely the price for your words. And this is actually a very good thing to start if you're good with writing texts. If you don't wanna show your face, if you don't wanna to talk to anyone, you're just basically writing someone. So it's just you, your computer or your gadget, maybe even your phone, and that's it. You're doing some job and you're selling this value. And this is something anyone can do today. And this is something I'm telling to you because a lot of content makers actually need someone to have some ideas, to have some expertise in definite fields. For example, if you're a doctor, if you're having a degree in finance, then you can write articles or texts about that on demand, and it can be your side hustle or even the main job, and you can benefit from that so much. So again, it's quite easy to start and should not take much time. If you are good in writing or if you're willing to write, it will definitely not be that difficult. So the next side hustle for today will actually follow the idea that there are content makers who constantly need someone to help them with creating content. The next side hustle is voiceover. This is when you are reading certain texts with your own voice. without writing the text and without showing your face. You don't have to communicate or something. You're just basically same thing you can do, reach out someone on YouTube or post advertisement in Fiverr or something like that, and then you can just earn money from you reading some texts and selling these audio files to people who are actually demanding that. You can start again from $20 per 100 words that you speak, and going above and above, further and further, depends on what language you're speaking, if it's a unique dialect or something like that, if you're male or female, because it can be used for advertisement on TV, it can be used for YouTubers who are willing to create certain videos without showing their face. It can be shown in audio files for some songs or some movies even, and so on and so on. And if we take a look at the statistics, then average woman per one day says around 20,000 words. And if you would be paid for that 20,000 words daily, for example, we will take the lowest rate, which is $20 per 100 words, then you would be earning $4,000 every single day for only you saying that words. And if you're willing to actually have that money, then you can read texts on demand for certain people. The only thing here that you need to have a microphone or something like that to record your own voice in a high quality, and that is the difficulty which differs it from thumbnail creating or writing a texts, because you need to have a microphone to record your own voice. The next side hustle for today will be creating your own YouTube channel. And yes, the whole idea of this video is all about making content. Creating your own YouTube channel is actually the highest idea, because it all includes all the previous side hustles that we've talked today about. Writing a script, making a voiceovers, maybe even filming your face if that is a niche you're creating YouTube channel in, creating thumbnails, or maybe having some music in your videos which you will use from copyright-free music, or even can be creating yourself. So this is basically a quintessential thing which you can do if you are a person who is willing to develop yourself, who is willing to become more popular, gain some audience. You want to set your own schedules for yourself, your own topics for the videos, and your own frequency of posting videos. Then starting a YouTube channel can be actually a super fit thing for you to do. It actually is super simple. Everyone can start a YouTube channel. It's super easy. But the thing is, starting is easy, but to maintain YouTube channel and to have patience to grow it is the other side of having a YouTube channel. And maybe as your channel is growing, you will need to gain more people in your command so that you can produce content frequently on some basis, for example every 2 days or once a week or something like that. And maybe you need more professionals later on as your channel is growing, but in the beginning, as you start your channel, usually most of the people just doing everything themselves. So if you're a creative person and you want to become more popular and maybe even get money from your YouTube channel, then it may be a good idea to become more social and do things like this. And there are actually numerous amount of guides and advices in the YouTube, just free advices or even some paid courses which will teach you how to start your YouTube channel. And there are lots of information actually, so I'm not gonna talk about all that today, but it's super easy to find the information that you need right today. The next side hustle we're gonna discuss today is to have a paid membership community. Now, this is something not everyone can allow for himself, but this is something you can do if you already have audience, loyal audience to you. Then maybe you can start some Patreon or something like that. When people will donate money, it's like a subscription when they will pay money on a monthly basis for you providing them exclusive content or additional content which has some value for them. If you are telling people that you're having some community, then you have to provide content for that community, and definitely have to spend some more additional time on creating this content for the community. But actually it can be helpful and nice to have additional source of income of that loyal subscribers and fans who are willing to pay you for the additional content. And the last side hustle for today I want to mention is selling what you already have. And this may be applicable to everyone because there is some things like clothes that you have outgrown of, or some electronics like old camera that you are not using anymore, or things like that which you do not actually need being at your home anymore, which is taking place, actually making your life worse than better. Then you may want to sell them. All you need to do is to go to websites like eBay and then register there, and one time you have to make a job to take pictures of the things you want to sell and then describe them, leave your advertisements there, and then wait for someone who is willing to buy your product. And if you're willing to sell it as fast as possible, you even can give a discounts to people, which generally works well if you want to sell things from your house fast. And this is absolutely passive because you don't have to constantly pay attention to that advertisement that you've posted, because it's just there and people can see it, and people who want to buy will definitely contact you. So these were the 7 side hustles for you to start in 2022. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video.